Hey everybody, this is the M from MK Kubbies, and I'm going to show you how to put together the black MK Slim-7. So first we have our tray, and we have 6 dividers that come with it. First step, flip over the tray with the brown side facing up. I'm going to break the crease on the left, break the crease on the right, and take these 2 flaps, flip them up, tuck them in, fold and tuck. If you put together our deluxe MK Kubbies, this is very, very similar. Once you put one together, you'll be able to put together them very, very easily. So then we have our tray. Now we're going to take our 6 dividers. What I like to do is fold these 2 pieces up first, then fold this in half. And then we're going to repeat this 6 times. First one in the first slot. There's really not a whole lot to explain, just more watching to do. Second divider. Just like that. Number 3. Number 4. Like I said, once you do one, the second one and the third, fourth, and fifth are much, much easier. Divider number 5. And the final divider, number 6. Wrap and tuck. Wrap and tuck. Piece of cake. And here we have MK Slim-7.